Yes guys, what is cracking, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today what we're doing, we're having a mess with the tail lights slash brake lights depending on where you are in the country. Wow, that was very loud. That was like some mad fan, that was. So what we're going to do today, just have a look, maybe take them off, check them, see if the seals have perished or anything like that, because they look naff. I saw a OEM Megane, and their tail lights are so clear, it's unbelievable, and they look cloudy and horrible. So yeah, we're just going to get to that and have a look. But look what I've done. I've stripped the interior out. I went to paint it, as you know if you watched my last video. I wrecked them, so hopefully we should be working with someone that's into the carbon game, so we could be making some sick carbon fibre parts for them again, and hopefully if he does a good job on them and they look the tits, obviously I say to you guys, yo, check them out. Obviously if I've got it on my car and they look good, I'm obviously going to recommend it to you guys, because that's how I roll. So yeah, let's have a crack and show you what's going on. Right, and so if any of you have got a Megane at home, you'll know that they, one, should be not like that, and two, these are so cloudy. I don't know why, but they just look very, very cloudy. So it's not just one either, it's both sides. So yeah, we'll see what's going on. Right then, so I haven't googled this or anything, so it looks like we've got a Torx bit there, and from what I can work out, this little bugger here and that one there looks like it holds the brake light in. So yeah, I'm going to get the Torx bit, it looks like a funky Torx bit, and then twist them out, see how we get on. So that's the surround. Completely the same, like so. Right, so I've just like tried to pull this off. Do not try and pull that away yet. This basically just carries the water and tries to keep the lines of the, so the water can flow out. It's kind of like clipped in here and here, so don't try and pull that out just yet. Right then, so we've got a TX40. So if I'm putting it in, let's see if we can. Wow, that feels weird, man. Pretty much good to come out. Whoa, that's so weird. So need an extension on this one because it's too far in. Right then, let's go. Here we go, straight out. Right then, let's go. Theoretically should be undone. Ooh, they feel tight, man. it's one of them crap clips. One sec. Right, so literally, let me show you. Basically, this clip here, just get like a flathead or something under that little nib there, bang, straight out. So yeah, tail lights out, look how dirty that is. Woo. Right, so while it's off, it's accumulated a lot of dirt. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move the wire out of the way. I'm going to clean the area. So look, it just looks tired, so whilst it's off, give it a clean. So we're just going to use a bit of Bear Care multi-purpose pre-wash, just spray it, agitate it, and then wipe it off. So yeah, let's go. There we go. And same on the other side. Right then, so that area is pretty much spotless. I've just got most of the main debris off. Like I say, if any of that's wet and it gets hot, could it cause condensation? I don't know. So yeah, let's move on to the other side. There's the other side, exactly the same, lovely and clean now. Right then, so in the back garden I've just pulled one apart. So basically this edge bit here, that pretty much just pulls out like so. What it should do, yeah, it says it just pulls out, so yeah. And then literally, to get the bulbs out, there's just tabs, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this little unit thing should just pop out. Right then, so what we're going to do, I've got a heat gun, and what we're going to do is just going to get rid of the condensation, just so, obviously, you can see condensation's all sitting around there. I'm just going to get the heat gun in, just try and dry it all out. So yeah, I'll get back to you when this is dried out. Right then, so it's pretty much as good as dry. What I'm going to get now is some sandpaper. I'm going to get the highest grit that I've got, which is 1200, so I'm going to get 1200 grit sandpaper. I'm going to start on one light, and I'm going to lightly sand, and then clean off, and then hard cut, polish, and then hopefully sort it out. So yeah, let's get the 1200 grit, and let's go for it. Let's go then. Come on, what are you doing? here we have got the light. I've just got a little DA3 machine polisher, and we're going to use Maguire's compound, which is pretty good. So yeah, let's go. Just put a couple of drops on here. Put it on slow setting 1. And then let's go. So what I'll keep doing is I'll give it another sanding, because it's not just there yet, as you can see, and then I'll go over it again with a polisher until it's back to its proper state. So right, let me have a little update. I've been using a 1200 grit sandpaper. I've been told not to use it because I'll scratch the life out of the headlight. There's still little scratches in it. I'm going to go over with some polish now, see if I can sort it out. But John, I can't pronounce your last name, but mate, you're a legend. He's just messaged me on Facebook and just put his finger there, and he went, yo, check that out. So if anyone's got a Megane and it's leaking, it is potentially because of this. Where are you? Look at this. You see there? You can see the red coming through the back. Come on, focus for me. Oh man, what are you doing? The sunlight. There we go. We're cooking now. We should be cooking. See that? See it? Mate, what is going on? There we. Mate, what was it hunting? There you go. I'm guessing you can see that anyway. So just look at your top of your headlight, literally where the little circlip is there. There's a crack there in that one, and exactly the same in that one on the same place. So I'm going to try and put some glue or something to seal that. And yeah, hopefully it's sealed then. Right then, so I've been told by a fellow Facebooker on the Megane pages that is a common problem, and I'm sanding it and polishing it, which all it's going to do is affect the surface, and I was told that is condensation on the inside. It doesn't look it, just looks tired, and I thought, yeah, quick machine polish sound. But I've been told to leave it in the garden, so tomorrow I'm going to leave it in the garden in the morning, leave the cap off it and everything, let the sun get to it. Hopefully it dries out. That's what we're going to do. We're going to cut it here. I've just machine polished them and that, so any scratches on the top of them and that got it pretty clear. So what we'll do, we'll catch back tomorrow and then see where we're at. So let's go. Now what we've got is a glue gun. Laura bought this a couple of months ago. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to glue up. Woo, that's hot. I used to love these as a kid. Anyone else used to love these glue guns as a kid? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to glue up where it's cracked. Try and smooth it off and then give it like 2 or 3 layers just so I know it's pucker. Other than that, you could get like clear silicone or something like that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to use. There we go. Hopefully we can. Jeez, it can be a bit messy, so. Wow! Get off. There we go. Hopefully bang that there. Job done. Probably say silicone might be the easiest thing to use, to be fair. Ah! Jesus Christ, that's hot. Fuck! Laura, that burns, that does. trying not to, but it's going everywhere. Right then, so it didn't really end that well. I basically machine polished it, sanded it as you saw. I've been told that the sandpaper I used was too aggressive. I was told I need 3000 grit sandpaper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it there. It has actually been a couple of days since I did the video and that, so the car has stopped. It's not misting up inside anymore on the tail light, so I think that has sorted the condensation out. But the lights just still look a bit tired, so what I'm going to do, I'll get some 3000 grit sandpaper, maybe even a bit more, a bit lighter. Give it a good old going over with, then get the compound it, then polish it, and fingers crossed it can be sorted. So yeah, that's that. We've got some exciting news. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but the car is booked in for a remap, so we are going to get some power. As I said, I'm not going to get rid of the Megane without mapping it, and yeah, that's what's going to happen. So I'm sorry the videos have been so slow, man. I don't know what's happened. I feel like I fell off the bandwagon, in all honesty. But I want to be back, I want to be strong, and I want to create videos for you lot. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. I'm sorry this video was a bit all over the place. Just I hope you enjoy, and we can keep this journey together and continue it, and it just evolves. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. See you on the next one. Peace.